Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning. Punta kami sa Westfield Mall. Do you have the key?
You got the key.
The swipe. I don't have the key.
You should.
Wait, sorry. Punta kami sa Westfield. Kakain kami ng ramen. Wala pa akong something on my lips. I will be putting on the lip and cheek tint from KJM. Yung bittersweet magenta. Dito sa ano, sobra. Ito yung pinaka, ano na ba yun? Ito yung pinaka mabagal na elevator sa buong mundo. Kakaloka. Bagal. Ang ganda ng kwarto nila kaya lang bagal. We're here. But first, coffee. Dito kami sa Starbucks. We will just get an iced latte.
Thank you. Get that way, babe.
Dito kami sa Ipudu, Sydney. Ito yung sabi ng sister-in-law niya na merong masarap na ramen. So we will get ramen. Maganda yung ano nila dito, ambience. Nice. I got my lemon today. We're here, Ipudu. Dan got a pork bun.
Gonna film me eating it?
Yeah. Do you want to be filmed eating it?
Cheers.
You're a vlogger. Is it good? It's hot, is it?
Oh.
Careful. Yum?
Delicious.
That looks good. Okay. It's really good. That's so good. Dan got his ramen. Yeah. And then yung akin, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Kain. We're done eating. Yeah, it was so good, guys. The ramen, I highly recommend. Do you like the ramen?
It's good.
Yeah, it's really good. Now we will go shopping. We will go shopping. Someone is shopping today. Oh, babe, do you want to do an outfit of the day? Because you have the best outfit. Do an outfit of the day. Let them know what you're wearing. For power top and his favorite shorts. I swear to God, one day I'll throw that away. He loves it way too much. It's ridiculous. He will be trying that on. I wanted him to try the blue one. There's a blue one there right next to that white polo. But he said he hates the blue one. He hates it. That's nice. It has palm trees. Oh my gosh. Here. Seriously? Babe, come on. What size is it, my love?
Small.
Ito yung blue. See, ang ganda. Kaya lang ayaw niya daw. Hate na hate niya daw. Ganda ng kulay. Tell Danny boy they say so good. He hates it. Grumpy. That is so nice. See, I told you. He didn't want to try this, and I was like, it's good.
Now cut it.
Okay. That's so good, babe. That's so Philippines.
Yeah. Alright.
Is that your try-on? Try-on pose. Go backwards. See, that shirt looks really good. Even it looks good even with your Port Power ugly shorts. Ugly. Is your Port Power shirt ugly? You're like a figurine.
Done.
Alam na. Alam na. Which one do you want?
Can I go banana and Nutella, please?
Yum. Caught on camera. Thank you. See ya. Meron silang Miniso, guys. Miniso. Si Dan yung nakaspot nito. Maganda tong bag na to, oh. Meron pa siyang pataso, guys. Meron akong kinuha isa, pero I'm not sure if I will buy it. Kasi kakabili ko lang ng bag sa ZARA. But that one's really cool. Like, you know, kapag nagpipiknik kayo, socially na picnic bag. Tapos, very spacious siya. See? This is, I think, $9.99. Maganda siya.
I like it.
Sabi ni Dan yung penguin yung spirit animal niya. This is really soft, but mahal.
Yeah, great quality.
$9.90. Yeah, it is great quality. Nice. These are really cool, guys. Super maganda ng mga wallet. Ang gaganda ng kailan meron ako na. So cute. Nakabalik na kami sa hotel. We will check out the pool kasi hindi pa namin ito nakita. And pangatlong araw na namin today. So, 15th floor siya. Dito na kami actually. Okay. Stairs. What is it?
Shaka pool.
Paalis na naman kami. Pupunta kami pala ng Bondi Beach. Kasi doon nakatira yung doon nakatira yung stepsister ni Dan. Ano siyang stepsister dito sa Sydney. And they happen to live in Bondi. So, pupunta kami doon para bisitahin sila. And, pupunta na kami sa Bondi Junction. I have the keys, yeah. I think your wallet is in my bag as well, so. Yep, all good. Pupunta kami doon, guys. Merong Bondi Junction doon na marami daw mga shops. May mall, merong H&M again. Yung H&M kasi dito hindi ko masyadong bet. Wala akong nabili para sa akin. Oh, actually, meron pala. Sa mga nag-hi din pala sa amin nung nagpunta kami sa concert ni Vice. Hello din sa inyo lahat. Salamat. Dito na kami sa bus. Pupunta kami sa Bondi Junction. So, pagpasok mo, itatap mo yung card mo sa mga ganito nila. And then paglabas mo din, itatap mo siya dyan. Para maano yung fare mo talaga. So, sa Adelaide kasi, pang isa lang siya. Like, i-charge ka nila pag enter mo. Dito, i-charge ka nila kung saan ka bababa. Which is good. We're off! Nandito na naman kami sa H&M, guys. Dito try ni Dan yung gusto niya i-try kanina, kaya lang wala yung size niya. So, dito meron sila. Wait, ano na? Is it on?
It's really close to your face.
We're going to Topshop and ZARA because we're cool people. Who's cool? Is your outfit cool? That is so tiny as well. That will fit me. Just kidding. Sometimes I feel I'm tall. And I'm not. Let's go find the sale section, people. Come on. We didn't find anything at Topshop, so we will go to ZARA and see if they have something for me. We're here at Osteria Riva dito sa Bondi, guys. Hindi kami nagpunta sa Bondi Beach kasi sobrang lamig. Si Danny Boy. Kami lang yun nandito kasi they open at 6 and we were here at like 5:55. I got my spaghetti carbonara. What did you get, babe?
Ravioli.
Ravioli. Looks good. We have the cheese, kain. I got my lemon bitters. Kain tayo? Kain tayo, people. We're back! We're back. Natapos ko lang i-edit yung first day namin dito. And then nag-edit ako ng isa pa. And then matutulog na kami. Kasi bukas, guys, check out na kami. We need to wake up at 8. Tapos check out. And then our flight is like 8 at night. So, iwan lang namin yung luggage namin dun sa baba. And then, we will do Madame Tussauds and then the tower bukas. So, yeah. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Good night, babe. Si Dan gutom.